Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the Cleaning Excel data series. What we are going to do over a number of videos is to learn to use a couple of tips and tricks to change the data in the left into something a lot more presentable. And don't forget, if you like what you see, please click the like button or subscribe to the channel. So let's get started with lesson number 1, updating headings and wrapping text. So we can see on the table on the left, we have all our data. We are simply going to update the headings to separate that information from the body of data. First step is to highlight the headings, and what I like to do is just change the color to really give it that separation. We'll change the background by going to the home ribbon, selecting the paint bucket icon, and we'll change it to a dark gray. Next, I'll go back up into the ribbon, select the text font, and we'll change that to white. And very easily you can see that the headings are now separated from the body of the information, and it looks a whole lot cleaner already. And another quick tip just to make the headings a little bit more presentable is using the wrapping text function. As you can see in column B, the heading has been cut off by the cell. So we'll go into the headings by highlighting them again, go up to the ribbon and click wrap text, and now you can see the entire heading instead of it being cut off by the cell. So there you go, a couple of quick tips to make the headings look more presentable, and now you can see the table is looking a lot better than it was before. Don't forget, I've got a bunch of tutorials in the series. Please find the other videos if you found this one helpful and come back again. See ya.